guys, it's Riel, or otherwise known as Queen of Melee is my channel name. So please, let's get started on this next episode. Alrighty, we woke up. Oh, hi! Thank you! Wait, where did we go? Wow, Grouchy Pants. Hello? Nope. What's that noise? Oh, well. Probably that guy walking. Hello? Nope. Hi! Well, you look, interestingly... What happened to your head? Aww. Can you get in there? I'm sorry, I can't help you. What's wrong with you? Oh, that's gross. Okay. It's okay, sometimes these things happen.
Who's this? Maybe Father Martin's man. Maybe.
Hi. Oh.
He looks nervous. I would like to kill him. As would I. The preacher asked us.
Well, that's just too bad.
It would be.
Shut up.
Not here. Give him a running start. You look like a sick ghost.
I have. They're... I don't... Maybe. I don't know. Hello? Nope. Hello? Oh! You were not pretty. What happened to your hands, dude? Well, that's not nice. I think I have to go up there, so I'm just gonna wait. Oh! Dude, you're gonna give yourself a massive migraine. Well, maybe if you tried to sleep, it'd be okay.
Space. Alone. Leave me alone.
Well, just go in someplace. It's okay. Just... Hello? Oh! Dude! No! No, no, no! No! You ugly. I didn't want to do a new... I hate that. What the fuck is going... What the hell's going on? Okay, that's gross.
What the fuck is the matter with you?
What the fuck are you doing? You're gross. I'm the sicko. I'm the sicko. Excuse me, sir. I was not just doing what you were doing, okay? No. Just... You stay there. I can help you. You seemed logical and reasonable, and I was okay with that. Yep, gimme. I'm okay with logical people. Oh my god. Poor guy down there in the wheelchair. Messed up little legs of his. Oh, I'm right where the twins were with the huge thingies. Thank you! Can I have it now? I don't know what you saved for me, but I want it now. Can I get in there? I can't. God always provides a way. Follow the blood. Oh, not one of those things. Battery? Yes, I see a battery. Thank you very much. Well, if God provides a way to batteries, then I am okay with following the blood. Is that the only way I can go? Okay, calm down. Jesus, I'll go down the drain if you shut up. Thank you. Well, sir, that's not sanitary at all. Alright, I'll go. Just watch my back. I'll go. Oh, that's where I was. Oh, but now there's no way back up. I'm gonna check things first. Hi, you want out?
Experiments. They were rituals. A conjuring.
You look normal. You might be insane, but at least you look normal. You should be happy about that. Not a lot of people came out looking normal. Not a lot of people. Batteries? You have a battery, sir. Can I have one? No? Well, fine. And up. Bend over.
Shut up! Let me think for a minute.
Violet? Hi! Right. Hi! Run me, run. Go in there. Yo! Excuse me. No! I'm so dumb. Get in there. Stop breathing so hard, he's gonna know which one you're in! Deuces. Ha! course it is. Every door is closed.
That we did, I'd say.
I'm sorry, guys, but
Patience. Joe like in the suppression of our desires. But now,
you guys have interesting things that I don't want to see.
yes, his tongue and his liver, yours, mine.
Right. No thanks. I like how I didn't even check what's below me. I just kind of like hopped over and was like, yo. Nope, can't see. Can you hear him though? They move fast. Okay. Battery? Every coffee mug says coffee on it. What the fuck? Dude, no? Yep, battery. Thank you. Oh. Shit. I think we just took us out of them. The guy in the back's just like running around. Don't touch me. I'm a plane. I'm a plane, mommy. I'm a plane. I'll take that, sir. You don't need that anymore. Oh my god! It scared the shit out of me. My heart, like, I don't like always show when I'm scared, but I get this like skip a heart kind of thing, and I'm like, oh, that's great. Whee! Oh, fuck.
My God, he vanished.
Yeah. It's because I'm cool, unlike you two bitches.
I just had sarcasm. It was my intention. He thinks we're assholes. Or wait. Just a moment.
Bye. Oh. I like they ran past the door. Oh, I thought that was a battery. I'm like, yes, there's another battery. This just keeps getting better and better. Freaking coffee mug again. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, psh, convenient. You can't get in there, can you? Hey, fat man. I didn't even, you know what? Forget it. Oh, what? Yeah, ow. Oh. Just grab it and go. Grab it and go. Stop. Don't look at them. Don't look at it. Don't look. Don't look. Actually, you know what? You gotta freaking record that. Yeah, see, this is what's happening here at this place. Poor guy. Battery? No? fucking knows where I am. He's wearing pants? He's wearing, like, cool camo pants. You know what? Run! Then go see Marco! Marco! You're supposed to say Polo! You're no fun at all. Fat man. Should I just go for it? I'm gonna just go for it. Oh my god! Freaking go, go, go! I confused you, fat boy. Go downstairs, big man. I am not here. I should have just ran for it when I fell. Come on, Chris, let's go. I don't have a freaking day. She's probably downstairs. Go, 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 go! Ah! No! God! Hi. Batteries? You want to follow me around? Is that what you're doing? Okay, you can be my friend. Batteries? Batteries? You don't look so good. Hi. Batteries! No. Thank you for not blocking my door. Batteries? Okay, no batteries. Batteries? No. Where am I going? Was I supposed to even go in here? I guess I was? Oh. Maybe. Aha!
Nurse! I'm gonna need some help getting clean.
Sure!
Nurse!
But I'm not the nurse though. I'm just a friendly guy. Oh? God, violence. Oh! Hey! Hey! Thank you. I'm okay with your violentness. I think you killed him. Thank you. Don't Don't touch me, don't touch me. Don't touch me, 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 don't touch me. Oh, thank God I made it. Ah, if I missed it, I would have been pissed. But that's if I missed it. No. Batteries. I just want a battery. Hi. I won't. No, that's okay. I won't touch you. I'm glad that you're afraid of me, though. That makes me very, very happy. Like, I really need to go here, but, you know, batteries, possibilities. It's gross. It's like someone had diarrhea on the mattress. Oh! 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 I won't hurt you if you won't hurt me. Not like I can hurt you, I'm a wimp. Can I open the door? I can't. Thank you very much. Am I supposed to go down this way? If not, it's nice to know that there's some lockers down there. Oh. Gross, 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 and gross. Okay. Why am I... Find a way out of the sewers, right? Because I wanted to be here in the first place.